Hi, I'm Dad. And we're welcoming all Ninjago fans because we got a Ninjago set today. This is set number 70500. It's Kai's Fire Mech. A total of 102 pieces. It's got 2 minifigs. This is actually our first Ninjago set. We have started collecting Ninjago minifigures, as you could see. Except I don't know what she's doing here. But anyway, we're going to do a video on that later, but today, or right now, we're going to do Kai's Fire Mech, so we're going to go ahead and build that. Of course, being a Lego collector, you got to save the box. Try to open it without ripping it. Alrighty. We get 3 bags. A sheet of stickers. And 1 instruction book. We will be done in 30 steps. So.
To play from?
Yeah, no, we're gonna build it. Are you shooting arrows at me?
Huh?
Are you shooting arrows at me?
What's the lady doing back there? What's she doing back there? Nothing. There's just nothing there.
So there's Kai and his Fire Mech. It's really cool. It's got a lot of playability. It's got this huge sword where he can grab, or he can grab the guy right here. Yeah, it's got this cool blaster here on the right side.
Sorry.
He's got the hand on the left with the working fingers. 2 swords coming out here. A little sticker on the back. Some little eyes. Eyes look like they're looking out the back. He's got the functioning eye. I've never seen these pieces. These, you know, I haven't played with too many new Lego sets lately. But with the ball joint here, being able to move the feet around. But then it's got, of course, Kai. So we got a couple extra pieces. An extra gold medallion, an extra hand, and an extra gold sword. So that's always a bonus. We'll probably do a minifigure video next of the minifigs. So until we get another set or some more minifigures, we'll see you later. Say bye, Riley.
Bye.
Bye.